Who is the most important person in your life? Your mother, your father, your family? Do you want to talk about your family in English, but you don't know how? Stay with me. This short podcast will help you. English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English with Moses. I'm Moses, and I'm happy to have you with me today. Our topic is family, a very important part of our lives. Relax, listen slowly, and repeat when I ask you. As you know, family is a great part of us. Family gives us love. Family gives us support. When we are happy, family is with us. When we are tired or sad, family helps us. Family is home. Listen first to these sentences. I have a family. My family is very important to me. I live with my family. Now repeat. I have a family. My family is very important to me. I live with my family. Good. Listen carefully again. I have a mother and a father. My mother is kind and caring. My father works very hard. Repeat after me. My mother is kind and caring. My father works very hard. Very good. Brothers and sisters, listen. I have a brother. I have a sister. My brother helps me. My sister supports me. Repeat. My brother helps me. My sister supports me. Great. Let's do some practice now. Repeat with me. I love my family. My family supports me. My family makes me happy. Again, slowly. I love my family. My family supports me. My family makes me happy. Listen to this short final paragraph practice. My family is small. I live with my parents and my little sister. My father's a taxi driver. My mother works in an office. We support each other. You can change it and make it your own. Family is important, and talking about family helps your English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. This is English with Moses. See you next time. Bye-bye.